Hey G Squad, welcome back to Foldable. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a rowing machine. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like, and then we'll assemble it together. So when you guys first open it up, there's actually a lot of stuff inside, but let's take everything out and put it onto the floor. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here they provide you guys all the different tools and accessories that you need to use to install it together. Right here they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up, and they also provide you guys the battery as well. And then right here is probably like the rowing machine for the different parts. So I'm going to take off all the different wrappers on here first. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is basically everything that's included in the set. So first thing, let me actually take off all the different wrappers on here first to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do take it out. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is what's included inside. So what I want to do first is to actually put the battery into the monitor, which is basically right here. So I'm going to take this part out, and you just want to stick the battery that's inside right here. And they do provide you guys 2 of the AAA batteries, so you basically want to put this in, unless if you guys have your own, you guys can definitely put your own as well. So I just want to stick it in right here. Once you guys stick it in, you guys want to put that inside. And turn the screen right here, I'll show you guys what it looks like once we finish setting it up. But once you guys finish that step, you basically want to put this part on. So you just want to attach this onto right here. So just like that. So that way you guys have the option to put your phone on here while you guys are rowing if you guys want to. Once you guys finish that step, you basically want to work in this part right here. So I love the fact that how they do provide you guys the different numbers of each different part, so that way you know where to put everything together. So for this other stuff, I'm going to move it to one side for now because we don't need it yet. We basically just want to focus on this part right here first. So we're going to need all these different parts to actually set it up. So it looks like we're going to need number 29, number 9, and also 69. So let's take it out. So you basically want to put it in that order, which is 29 and then 9 and then 69. And then what you guys want to do is attach this onto right here. And then when you guys put it on top right here, you guys want to make sure the wheel is facing this way. So you basically want to put it on top like this. And you guys want to screw it in right there. So it probably would be easier if you guys do have someone to help you guys hold it while you guys are doing it. But it's totally fine. So when you guys screw in this part, you do need to use the accessory that's provided for you guys right here. So there should be one on each side. So one right here and one on the other side. You guys want to make sure both sides goes in before you guys fully tighten it up. Alright, so once you guys got both sides in, now you can tighten it up. You just want to make it tight enough to the point that it's not loose. Alright, so that should be good. So I know it's kind of hard for me to show you guys in this point of view, so I will show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like once we're done. So once you guys finish setting up this part, now you can work on the feet or the legs. So when you guys do set it up, it does label on the bottom right here to let you guys know which side is which. So this side is left and the other side right. So this one will be right here and the other one will be on this side. And then when you guys put it on, you basically want to put on number 15, which is right here. So you basically want to put this all the way in. And then once you guys do that, you guys want to put it in right here. And you basically just want to screw it in. You guys can use your hand to screw it in as tight as possible, as far as you guys can. And then once you guys reach to the point where you guys can't use your hand anymore, you guys can use the tool right here to tighten up. So once you guys step this one, you guys want to put the other one at the bottom right here. Alright, so once you guys got that set up, then you guys want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish that part, now you can work on the other part right here. So when you guys set up this part right here, you guys want to put it like this way. So you basically want to set up the bottom of the feet on this side, and the seat will be right here. So let's flip this around. You basically just want to put it on top like this. And when you guys put it on top right here, you guys want to make sure this side is facing outward that way, not like this. So the screws that we'll be using is 11, and we're also going to use 28 and 25. So let's take it out right here. So the order that I want to put it in is 25, 28, and then 11. So there should be a total of 4 of each. And you basically want to attach it right here on the bottom. All right, so once you guys got all of them in, you guys can use a tool to screw it in. All right, so once you guys finish that part, you guys can put the next part on. So you guys want to get out screw 8 and 45, which is basically this part right here. You basically want to put it right here. So you guys want to unscrew it first. And let's turn this over. And you guys want to screw this part in right here. Once you guys do that, you guys want to do the same thing for this side right here as well. Next thing you guys want to do is to put on the seat right here. So you want to take off this part right here first. Once you guys do that, you guys want to slide this part in. And when you guys slide it in, you guys want to make sure the arrow is facing upward that way. So I just want to go like this. You can see how it goes all the way right there. So once you guys do that, then you guys can put this part back on. So that way now you guys do have a divider option. So if you guys push it this way, it can't come out. Same thing for other side. So once you guys finish setting that up, you guys can attach it together. So once you guys attach it together, then you guys can put on the different screws that's right here. So there's one right here, one right here, and one right here. So let's put on this one right here first. All right, so once you guys got that in, you guys can put on the next part right here. So for the inner layer right here, you guys want to put the black one in. So once you guys put this through, you guys want to put in number 29 and then put in number 9. And once you guys do that, you guys can put on number 22 right here. So that way you can get that support. And for this part, you probably need to use both tools. So one right here and the other side right here to actually make it tighter. And then once you guys do that, you guys can put on number 33 right here. And that will give you guys even more support once you guys do fully set up. But once you guys do fully set up, here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm actually take off all the different wrappers on here and put on one side, and then we'll test it out to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like before I actually test it out. All right, so here is basically the back part. So like I mentioned right here, you can see how when we put it this way. So you definitely want to make sure to put it this way and not the other way when you guys do set it up. And right here, you can see we do have the seat option. And when you guys feel the material that's on here, it definitely has a good amount of cushion on here to give you guys that comfort and support that's needed when you guys are using it. And then right here, we do have the middle section that's holding everything together. So we do have this lock option right here, and we do have this lock option right here, and we do have one more right here as well. And if you guys are curious about what the other side looks like, here is basically what the other side looks like right here. So the product is going to be really stable when you guys do use it. And when you guys look right here, this is basically where you guys want to put your feet when you guys are actually using it. And for the strap option right here, you do have the option to adjust it. So you can take it out if you guys do want to. Or you can put it back in and adjust it based on your own preference. And I do want to mention for the footrest option right here, you do have the option to adjust it, to move it up and down if you guys do want to. And right here, we do have the tension control. So if you guys want more tension or less tension, you guys can definitely adjust it based on your own preference. And right here on top is basically the display screen. So if you press it one time, that will turn it on. And right here, there's a little piece of paper or wrapper, so take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the screen looks like. So you basically have the scan option, TCNT, distance, time, CNT, and calorie. So if you guys want to change it, you basically want to press on this button. And that will change everything for you. And right here, we do have the bar option for you guys to pull it. And when you guys do feel the bar, it definitely feels pretty nice. It has a good amount of cushion on here to give you guys that comfort and support when you guys do use it. And top of right here, we do have the option for you guys to put your phone or tablet or whatever you guys want to put on here. And you do have the padding on here as well. So that way it does have the cushion for your phone when you guys do put it down. And then right here in the front here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys notice on the bottom right here, we do have the wheel for you guys to roll it if you guys do want to. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But right here in the front, you can see we do have the brand logo. Same thing for the other side right here as well. But once you guys fully set the product, here is basically what it actually looks like. So before you test it out, let me show you guys how to fold it and also how to use the wheel option first. All right, so if you guys want to fold it up, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is just take off this part right here and the silver part as well. So just like this. And you guys want to unscrew this part right here. And once you guys take that part out, you guys can raise it up. And you guys want to screw this in the bottom right here. So that way it won't fall down when you guys actually use it, or if you guys want to move it around. So you see the product is actually really compact and portable when you guys want to fold it back up and put it one side. So that way you guys don't waste a lot of space. But if you guys want to use the roller option, you want to go like this. And just roll it to wherever you guys want to put it. So you can see, very easy and very simple for us to use it. And then once you guys find the position of where you guys want to put it, you basically want to bring it back down. You guys want to do it nice and slowly. And you guys want to unscrew it. And bring it back down. And you guys want to put everything back together to where it was. And it's all set. So now I should test it out to see how it works and also show you guys how to use it. So once you guys sit down on here, if you guys want to put your phone on here, you do have the option to put it like that. Or you can put it this way as well. But you see when you guys move this part right here, it actually moves pretty well. But next thing you guys want to do is just strap your legs onto right here or your feet. Alright, so once you guys got it all set up, then you can start using it. So let's turn it on. Let's try for distance. And if you guys want to reset it, you basically want to press and hold the mode button. And that will basically reset the product. But let's test it out to see how it feels. So all you need to do is just grab right here and just start pulling it. So right now when I'm using it, it definitely feels pretty easy. But I'm actually increasing the tension on here to make it a little bit harder. So let's turn it this way. Let's try for 5. Alright, so when we use it on 5, it definitely feels a lot more harder. So that way you get a lot more of that workout when you guys actually use it. And if you guys notice when you guys are actually using it, it actually sounds really quiet. It's not like a typical rower machine where it's actually really loud with the fan option, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality rowing machine that has a similar design that's on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.